Hey YouTube, how you doing? Joe from Al and Ed's Autosound with my partner Easy. Just gonna show you how to remove the headlight housing or the headlight bucket off of a new JEEP JL Wrangler, which is a 2018 and up car. So once you remove the 6 top clips of the grille and detach the clips holding it into the bottom part of the radiator support, all you need is a 10mm ratchet and socket and or a 10mm on a drill. I usually like to start it by hand just to loosen it up. These do come with Loctite from the factory, but there are 3 10mm bolts now holding it in. It's not T10 or T20 Torx like it used to be. You can always use a drill to back out. Once you have the 3 10mm bolts removed, the headlight housing will now come out easily. Go ahead, detach it, and then unplug it from the back so you can go ahead and replace your bulbs.